How to fix horizontal lines on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy method to fix your horizontal lines issue on Android phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, if you are able to see the lines or dots inside of your screen, which means the LCD panel, then it could be that the issue is with the screen of your phone as well. So one of the quickest way in order to fix this issue or hide this issue is simply you need to turn or switch your lighter mode screen towards the darker mode. For that you can simply swipe towards the down, and on this notification or the shortcut panel you need to select the dark mode and switch your Android device to dark mode. So once you have done that, the horizontal lines will be less visible on the dark mode and it will be hidden, and basically the issue will be fixed. If doing so will not fix your issue, then the second issue might be, or the second thing or the other issue might be with your software. So for that you can simply go to the settings on your Android device and then select the search bar or the panel and then search for the software updates. So on depending upon your device, you might simply get software update on your settings page only, but if you don't get it, then you can easily search in this way and open the software updates. So by opening the software updates, if you see any update button or update option, then you simply need to update your Android device software. So as you can see that I already have the latest version or the up-to-date version of my software, so I don't need to do it. So the last thing is your issue might be with your hardware as well. So if it is the hardware problem, then you simply need to visit the nearby repair center and fix this issue. So following all this step, your horizontal lines issue will be fixed on your Android phone. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.